Meet the Flashback One35 V2, a digital camera that dares to slow things down. At first glance, it looks like a classic 35mm film camera, compact, colorful, and beautifully retro. But under that nostalgic shell hides a 13-megapixel digital sensor ready to capture memories in rich detail. The xenon slash gives your shots that authentic burst of light, while a satisfying film wind dial lets you relive the tactile joy of analog shooting. Every click feels intentional, every frame deliberate. Here's the twist. There's no display. You can't see your photos, not right away. Instead, the 135 V2 makes you wait 24 hours before your images unlock in the companion app. It's a gentle reminder that patience can be part of the creative process. No instant reviews, no endless retakes. Just shoot, enjoy, and move on. It's photography stripped back to what matters, living in the moment. When it's time to see your shots, transfer them via Wi-Fi or USB-C. Edit your images in DNG RAW for full creative control, or keep them as they are, untouched and timeless. Available in 8 stunning colors, including 2 semi-transparent designs, the Flashback 135 V2 combines retro character with modern convenience. And with up to 2 months of battery life, it's ready whenever inspiration strikes. Priced at $119, the Flashback 135 V2 isn't just a camera, it's a statement, a bridge between the analog past and our digital present. Because sometimes the best way forward is a little flashback.
Hold me close till I get up.